Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today we will discuss basics of tree. Tree is the non-linear data structure. So tree is the data structure that is non-linear and can be used to represent in data hierarchy between those elements. For example, organization structure, family tree and tournament tree, many other applications, file organization, file management. The structure of tree, the first node is called root node, and these nodes are called child nodes, and this arrow shows the edge or link, and last nodes are shows leaf nodes, and inside the circle shows this is the left subtree. So these are the basic components of tree. Some terminologies. First one है predecessor node, that is above a certain node is called predecessor nodes. Successor node, that is below a certain nodes. And ancestor nodes are called all nodes, that is before certain node is in the same path, is called as ancestor nodes. Descendant nodes are all nodes that is after certain node in the same path, is called descendant nodes. Parent node predecessor, that is one level above of the certain node, means चाइल्ड नोड से अब नोड आपका पेरेंट नोड होगा. सिबलिंग नोड्स आपके सेम लेवल पे होंगे और एक सिंगल पेरेंट के चाइल्ड होंगे, मीन्स सिबलिंग नोड दैट हैव सेम पेरेंट. डिग्री मीन्स नंबर ऑफ चाइल्ड नोड्स ऑफ द single node. Here illustration of tree. This is the basic tree. Here predecessor of B, node B predecessor is A. Successor of A means after A nodes कितने directly connected, B, C and D. Ancestor node of E, ancestor node आपकी कौन सी है, previous B and A. Descendant node of B is E and F, and parent node of E is B. Sibling of E is F because it has a single parent, and degree of A is 3, 1, 2, 3, B, C, D. In binary tree, the maximum degree of one node is 2, at most 2, 0, 1 and 2. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. The maximum number of node, each level is 2 to the power n minus 1 number of elements in each level. We will see in the next example how we can calculate. Maximum node until level n is 2 to the power n minus 1. So let us see. This is the root node, these are the child nodes, this is the parent node of left child and right child. B is the parent node of D and E nodes. So calculate the maximum number of third level. This is the 1 level, this is the 2 level, and this is the 3 level. So maximum number of nodes in the third level. So calculate the 2 to the power n minus 1, n equals to 3 because level equals to 3. So 2 to the power 3 minus 1 equals to 2, and 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. So we have a 4 nodes in the level 3. So here level 3 is this. So 4 nodes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we can calculate the maximum node until third level, means आपके थर्ड लेवल तक कितने एलिमेंट्स कितने नोड्स हैं. So 2 to the power n minus 1, so n equals to 3 to the power 3 minus 1 equals to 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So total number of elements in the tree is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in whole tree number of nodes is 7. And the types of binary tree: full binary tree and complete binary tree. Full binary tree, all nodes except leaf node have true children, and each subtree has the same length of path. Means each subtree same length of path, बिकॉज ये आपके सेम लेवल पे होंगे. सो ये आपके पेरेंट नोड सेम लेवल पे, तो यहाँ पर आपके लीफ नोड भी सेम लेवल पे होंगे. इन कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री, all nodes except leaf node have two children. सेम कंडीशन है आपके फुल बाइनरी ट्री की, बट सेकेंड कंडीशन डिफर है. ईच सब ट्री कैन हैज डिफरेंट लेंथ ऑफ पाथ. मीन्स बी में आपके यहाँ पर एक भी लीफ नोड्स नहीं है, चाइल्ड नोड्स नहीं है, बट बी में आपके पास 2 चाइल्ड नोड्स हैं. सो यहाँ पर आपके पास लेंथ ऑफ पाथ डिफर कर रहा है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर इस नोड पर 1 and 2, बट यहाँ पर आपके पास एक सिंगल एज है. आई होप you guys understand the basics of binary tree. Thank you so much.